Hey guys, we're here at Red Rooster in Epping where we're currently installing a 15.8 kilowatt system with our brand new Tier 1 Jinko 440 watt panels. Their electricity bills were skyrocketing, so as a way to reduce their overhead costs, they made the switch to solar with us, Hello Solar. We know how stressful owning a business can be, and that's why Hello Solar is excited to announce a Solar Victorian business rebate. For a limited time only, you can get up to $3,500 off a system for your business, which can save you thousands of dollars per year. Here at Red Rooster, the business will likely save over $3,000 per year on their energy bills, with an estimated 2-year return on investment. An installation like this typically takes only a day to install, and then a few weeks to be fully operational and connected to the grid to start saving. It's important that all Australian businesses do their part in reducing their carbon footprint, and solar is one of the best ways to achieve this while also saving you money. If you'd like to know how to save thousands off your business, give us a call at Hello Solar. One of our experts will help you on 1300 070 786.